Dearest colleagues and members of the MEIDAM family, we are so delighted to announce that the 5th Middle East International Dermatology and Aesthetic Medicine Conference and Exhibition MEIDAM House of Dermatology 2020 is going to be held on the 10th and 11th of December this year. The decision to push the conference from the earlier scheduled date in September is due to the effects of the current global pandemic situation. And adjourning the conference has been a tough call that involved consultations with our community members, board, and partners. Both the organizing and scientific committees are confident that since the government of Dubai is easing restrictions that have been placed to reduce the spread of COVID-19, we can actually hold the conference this year. Airline and tourism operations are resuming by the end of July, indicating the gradual opening of the economy. MEIDAM also bears the responsibility to participate in initiatives that will control the spread of the current pandemic. That's why we've taken the earliest opportunity to push the date accordingly in order to be confident that sufficient necessary adjustments by the end of the year will enable meetings to take place in the safest way possible. Finally, no words can express our sincere gratitude to our beloved delegates, colleagues, board members, speakers, sponsors, and supporters for keeping in touch, and for all the unending support which have kept the organizing committee motivated. We are committing to ensuring that this year's conference will be of a significant value add to everyone, and we look forward to seeing you all this December. Until then, we miss you. Please stay safe and stay healthy.